Recite CMS allows you to lay out the control panel however you want to. Create a blank tab and select Widgets to add. First, choose a category. Next, select a widget to add. Finally, add it to the active tab. You can add as many widgets as you need. Close the widget browser when you are done. There are a number of predefined tabs you can use as a starting point. Delete a tab when you no longer need it. No data is removed from your website. You can add as many tabs as you need. Move a tab by dragging it to a new location. Widgets can also be moved. Drag them between columns. You can add a new widget at any time. There's no limit on how many widgets can be in a tab. Widgets can easily be removed by clicking the Close button. Minimize a tab when you need some more room. You can restore it again when required. To reload a widget, click the Refresh button.